Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be testing an eyeshadow quad from Kubiss Pro London. Kubiss Pro London is ranged on Too True. I know you guys are going to be sick of me talking about Too True. So for you guys who are new and don't know what Too True is, I'll just quickly do a quick rundown of what it is. Too True is a very affordable brand. They used to sell it in Superdrug a long time ago, and their products are only £1. So it's very, very affordable. Now this brand is actually ranged on Too True. I would say this is more of their luxury high-end range because their products range between like $1.99 to $3.99, so this is pretty much a luxury high end, I'd say, of Too True. I've never heard of this brand before, so let's give these eyeshadows a go. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts about the Kubiss Pro eyeshadow quad and how I created this soft pink eye look, just keep watching. This eyeshadow palette retails for $3.99, so it's a pretty affordable eyeshadow palette. And in the box there are some instructions on what sort of eye look you can create with this palette. I mean, with YouTube this is a little bit irrelevant when there's so many tutorials on there, but you know, for a beginner I think this would be pretty good, and for someone who doesn't know much about YouTube I think this would be quite handy. Oh, and sorry, I chose, it says on the box, I chose number 2 Sweet Peony. So it's got some really nice, like, warm colours. They're a little bit on the pastel side, maybe just a little bit. But this is giving me soft pink eye vibes. I don't know why, it really is. It says on the box, enhance natural eye shape with the 4 rich velvety shades. Includes moisturizing ingredient Maluna oil, which helps to keep soft skin and smooth. Long-lasting vibrant pigments provide even coverage. Colors can be blended together for a natural sophisticated look. Fragrance-free, suitable for all skin types. And also as well, don't you think the packaging's quite bougie for a $3.99 packaging? It's giving me like Chanel vibes or Givenchy vibes. I don't know, it's quite bougie, and it comes with its own mirror as well. Decent quality one too. Let's do some swatches. Yep, very pigmented, very, very pastel. I've already primed my eyelids as well with a little bit of concealer. Soft pink eye is what I'm going to go for today. So I am going to start... I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way, how I used to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with the very first, I'm going to start with that light orangey neutral colour. Just going to take a PS blending brush and, okay. That's really pretty. Let's apply this in the crease area. Okay, so it is a little bit on the shimmery side. In fact, in that palette actually, there are no mattes. There is no mattes in that palette. There might be some mattes in the other palette, but this palette is pretty much all shimmers. It's a really pretty colour. It's just a very subtle shimmer in the crease. It's not, doesn't look like it over exaggerates your texture too much, so it's quite pretty. I'm now just going to grab that slightly, like a strawberry pink colour. It's a very pastel-y strawberry pink. Just going to grab it on this old dual-ended brush. I think this might be a Gosh Cosmetics brush. And just got it on the fluffy side here. I'm going to pat this on. Yeah, actually, matter of fact, I'm going to pop this all over the lid. Let's pop this all over the lid. Yeah, beautiful colour. I'm going to see if I can intensify it. I don't think I can. But we'll give it a go. Hasn't made a difference really. I don't think you can use these wet. We go back with that first colour, just going to blend the pink and this subtle orange, well yeah, very subtle orange together. I feel like I just need to add a bit more of that pink. Just add a bit more on the lid with my finger. Be warned, that slightly strawberry pink colour, there is a lot of fallout, so be careful when you're using that colour. Well, I'm just going to take this very small Hello Kitty brush. I'm just going to grab that icy white shade now, and I'm going to apply that in the brow bone. See how this colour plays it. Ooh, okay, yeah. This colour's very powdery as well, so be warned of that. That is a beautiful colour. I'm just going to use my finger and just start softening it out a bit. I'm now going to take that purple colour, so the pastel-y purple. I'm going to grab an angle brush and I'm going to run this along my lash line. Oh, this one's very, very powdery. So these colours are very powdery. And I'm going to do it as a liner. Run it across my lid. You can just about see it, it's quite subtle. Right, I'm going to do my face makeup and we'll come back and finish the eyes. Hello guys, please ignore my forehead. I know it looks, my face now looks very, very dark. When I was bronzing my face, I accidentally used a contour shade, not a bronzer shade. Usually I put a tiny bit of contour and blend it out with bronzer. But yeah, my forehead looks really dark, so please ignore it. I tried to cover up with bronzer, so that was my mistake. I used a cream kohl pencil in the waterline. I just used the Kiko Milano Free Soul eyeliner. You can't get this anymore. It might be on the Kiko website, but it's just a nice lavendery purple just to pop in the waterline. Just used a bit of that. And now I'm going to go back in with that pink shade we used on the lid. I'm going to take the other end of that brush, because we used this one for the lid, and now we're just going to grab the flat-ended one. I'm going to grab that pinky colour, very powdery, and I'm going to run this underneath. Really, really nice. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm just going to use that brush again, that Hello Kitty brush, and I'm going to grab that white colour and just pop it in the inner corners as an inner corner highlighter. That's really, really pretty. Right, I'm just going to chuck on some mascara and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. Hello guys, so my final thoughts on the Kubiss Pro London eyeshadow quad. Really, really nice. I really like this, and I have to say the packaging is very luxury, because you push this button and it pops up. It's quite a lot. I love the packaging. It is very bougie for what you pay for, because this eyeshadow quad was $3.99, so under a fiver, very affordable. The colours are beautiful. They're very pastel-y, so they're nothing like dark, intense definition colours. They're not like that at all. They have got other quads on their website. They have got like a greeny brown one, and I think they've got like I think there's like a brown toned one as well. So they have got other ones on there. There are no mattes in this eyeshadow quad, but the shimmers, you can definitely get away with it. They're not that over intense, sparkly, oh, they exaggerate all your texture shimmers. These are actually quite a subtle shimmer. This white, I have to say, is probably the most intense out of them all, but they are buildable and they are very, very pigmented. Very impressed with the eyeshadows on this, so I really want to try more of their eyeshadow quads, and I also want to try their foundation, setting powder and blusher that they've got on there as well, and they've also got single eyeshadows as well. I might be doing a video on those as well, so stay tuned for that, but very impressed with the eyeshadow quad, and for the price you can't go wrong with it. I think this is a really beautiful everyday wear eyeshadow. If you like those sort of pink pastel-y colours and you want something for everyday wear, then this is this is your jam, because this is so beautiful. They've got quads for all occasions, for evening to daytime. So this one is definitely more of a daytime eyeshadow quad. I really like it. I really like the pigmentation and the blendability of it. I really like it. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Take care.